Hey there, hello and welcome to another episode of Furthermore channel. Hope you're all doing well and good. This video is all about how free payment apps like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm makes money by providing absolutely free service to users around the world. You just download a free payment app like Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe and start making instantly payments to shops and paying utility bills like electricity, cable, internet, food delivery and cabs, etc. On top of that, you start getting cashbacks and rewards for referring your friends and families and for making a huge transaction per day. You seem to be very happy. Wow. That is so fast and easy, you even don't bother about taking cash out from your pocket or wallet. But suddenly you wonder why those apps are giving all these services for free. Come on, let's find it out in this video. I will be explaining how these free money transaction apps are making money by providing a free service to us without charging a single penny for each transactions. So, there are three key players: you, the payment app, let's say Payzit, and the merchant. You have four things to pay for. 1. Electricity bill, online purchase and card payment for movie ticket and cash payment to your nearby Kirana shop. But you don't have time or convenience to go to ATM, withdraw cash, travel to pay electricity bills or Kirana shop, or even go and buy the movie tickets before ahead the movie starts. The merchant, on the other hand, has to collect the cash from you and store it safely, or get paid from you with some delay, then go to bank for depositing the money to his account for safety purpose. So basically, there is a need of making the payment on time and getting the service as well, both from you and the merchant's end. Also, handling cash requires time, resource too. Keeping a credit card or debit card requires charges to be paid and you have to carry that card whenever or wherever you make a purchase. There is always a problem with either a change or a delay in payment or not being able to make any online purchase, etc. Then here comes the free payment apps into the action. For an example, Payzit takes this as an opportunity and approaches the merchant. It offers the merchant that his payment will be settled within seconds both for online as well as offline sales. Merchant says, great, let's do it. Payzit then approaches you with the two products in one app called Payzit Wallet and Payzit Payment Gateway. It tells you to chill, forget your physical wallet and cards since it will make sure you can pay for everything instantly just by using your smartphone. Then you say, great, I exactly wanted this. It's a win-win strategy, so the problem is solved here, the process. So, now you simply start downloading the Payzit application and start storing your money in Payzit wallet and also make payments through Payzit Payment Gateway by scanning the QR code or using the registered bank linked mobile number. It's totally free for you. So your payment reaches the merchant instantly since the merchant can now get payment faster and easily directly to his bank account. So now he is happy and the money you stored in Payzit wallet is in a turn kept by Payzit in an escrow account. Escrow generally refers to money held by the third party on behalf of transactioning parties with a bank for safety. Plus, considering the opportunity, Payzit starts having services like insurance policy, mutual funds, digital gold, e-commerce stores, etc. inbuiltly included within their applications for you to explore. This is how the process goes on. Now, the money-making process. How this Payzit application starts earning money by providing a free service to you. There are majorly four types of income that is earned by Payzit application. The first income is the money you kept in a Payzit wallet, which is stored in a escrow account, earns interest amount which Payzit gets. And the second income, since the merchants can get the payment faster and easier, he pays some commission to Payzit application. Third income, you are happy with the Payzit application and so decided to explore the inbuilt services like insurance, mutual funds and a digital gold, etc. And thereby you start investing in one of these services, so you get a cashback too for that. And Payzit gets commission from the selling companies. Fourth income, seeing a huge growth of Payzit application, advertisers starts paying money to Payzit for advertising their products in the platform. Payz again earns commission from them. Conclusion. So basically, Payz solves a great payment problem in the economy. It saves your time, energy, and inconvenience, and it saves cost, worry of receiving payments, logistics, and time for the merchants. It enables banks to have a huge deposit indirectly. It allows other players to advertise and sell their products to you and service directly to you while you sit at home and enjoy Netflix. And in the way, Payz makes money. Okay guys, and that's all about the video. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video and this is informative, do kindly share this video with your friends and family, and just hit the subscribe button and to support me. I'll catch you soon in the next video.